Are you tired of losing track of your garments in the laundry business, an expensive loss, and frustrated customers? Stay tuned to this next video. I'm Karsten, and in this video I will tell you a little more on how to achieve 100% accuracy in the laundry business and reduce loss of garments. RFID can prevent loss in the laundry industry by tracking every single garment throughout the whole process, starting at the laundry, starting with washing the garments until you deliver to your customer. Every step can be tracked using an RFID tag and RFID equipment, and with a software solution, we can tie all the parts together so you always know where every piece is. Important is that you use a system of redundancy, which means every station can potentially lose a read. Every piece, every garment can potentially lose a tag. But if you add multiple stations, which you always have in the laundry industry, you can capture those that you missed in the last station. That helps you be extremely accurate, and it helps you be more efficient with what you do in your business without stopping your processes. So the issue of reading 100% on every station is typically that you have a lot of pieces flying around in the laundry business, which means you have a full container stacked with hundreds, maybe thousands of pieces. And it's really easy to miss a tag in this environment. And sometimes the tag fails. It's not very often, but if it does happen, then you don't have an accurate count. You won't reach 100%. So if you add a redundant system in the next station, you can always fill the gap that you missed before. So you'll have 100% check, quality check at every next station. And if one station misses something, the next one will pick it up. The most important thing is that the customer receives the products he needs to work in his own environment. So if you lose garments or the garments aren't there and ready for the customer, that creates a lot of frustration on both ends. One for the customer because they have nothing to wear, and the other one for the laundry because they have to express new products, new garments to the customer. So this transparency that we're now adding to the system helps you see things before they happen. You know exactly how much you picked up, you know exactly how much you delivered, and you can even see a dynamic flow of products that happens in the normal process, which means if the customer is running short, you already see it before the customer knows. So you can deliver in time and dynamically just what the customer needs. If you want to achieve 100% readability rate in your industry, feel free to reach out to us, join us, so we can help you become more transparent and more accurate in your business. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you again in the next video.